Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created Amber Glow, and I really apologize about the shine on this. The reflection is ridiculous right now and I can't seem to make it go away anytime soon, so it is what it is, right? So we'll just have to deal with it, and in the video you'll see a better version of this. I will be able to show you a little bit more of what it really looks like. But anyway, it was kind of an interesting experiment because I wasn't going to do a bunch of gold this time on this collection. I had talked to Exposure's international gallery manager, and she actually talked to a lot of the salespeople in there. And this is where I sell my art in Sedona, Arizona. And she said a lot of the clients said that I just put too much gold in my pieces. Why can't I just do jewel tones, which is, you know, more of the cooler colors, which the modern contemporary homes really tend to be. And so I decided to create a bunch of that. But I kind of got tired of it, and I decided to do Amber Glow, which is a lot of gold and yellows and amber especially. So this came from my friend Valerie, and she said, why don't you do a gold piece, gold and silver, and adds a bunch of gold in the back. And so I thought, how am I going to do silver and gold together? And I did, and I really enjoyed making this piece. It was very warm and inviting, and it's really rich looking. And so I also added some gold foil in here in a skew area so that it adds another dimension to it and another direction to look, makes it more interesting. So I hope you can even see this piece because I know the glare is pretty major. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you after. Welcome back everyone. I thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great week until the next time.